I'm making tacos! First, you need if you want to make taco, you need to cook some meat until it gets brown. And then when it gets brown on the back, you flip it over and then you wait and put those in. But first, you put the onions in. The chili stuff is next. And you do cumin last. And you put them in a bowl like this. But you can put them in any bowl you want. It did have a lot of grease, but I didn't spit it back in. And then you take it out and you squeeze it with the thing you're using, but it's not hard. That hard. And then you put it on a napkin and plate. But you put the napkin on the plate and you dump and you let the meat roll on the napkin. Now you put the seasoning in. You have to be really careful when you buy a fire. Okay? Understand? Putting my cheese on. I want cheese. Because then it wouldn't be a soft taco. I'll give Kendra. That much cheese. He's gonna love it. Isn't he, Mama? I'll give me a little more. Come on. It's a smiley face. If you want to make a soft taco, you do it like mine.